To tell you a story by which you can improve your English. Story Today's story is story of a miser and greedy woman. There was a greedy and miser woman. She used to collect all the amount which she earns, which he takes from father, which he takes from mother, which he takes from husband, and wherever. But she did not spend any single amount. Whenever her child asks her to give some amount, she denies. Whenever her husband wants any amount, she denies. Even if children said they want 5 rupees and 10 rupees for eating any small chips and kurkure and other kinds of things, she denies. She always tells them, yeah, told her and told him that go to grandfather and take money, go to grandmother to take money, go to father to take money. But she didn't give any amount. Even in any secular condition and any kinds of condition, she didn't spend any single penny. She always collects all the amount from anybody, and she keeps such kind of amount in banks. She keeps such kind of amount in his treasure and bags and almirah and cupboard wherever she requires. Even she became whenever she became hungry and whenever she is hunger and nobody is around him, so she didn't eat anything by purchasing, because she was so miser, so she didn't spend any single amount. Even whenever their family members need any amount, they ask her, but she didn't give any amount to them. Once her husband became ill and he needs amount, he admitted in the hospital. But whenever she was told to give some amount, she denied. She told, I would not spend, I would not give you. Her husband's brother gave amount, her husband's sister gave amount, even her husband's friends gave amount, and father, mother, and whosoever. But she didn't give any single penny to her husband's treatment and any things, because she was miser and she was greedy also. That's why people call her called her miser and greedy. Whenever she got an opportunity to earn money, she did. Even she did a small job also. She performed different activities in mobile also to earn the money. But after some time, when she became old, she collected a lot of amount by doing this. So once surrounding people told her, now you became old, you have collected that amount, what would you do of this amount? Because now you are in this condition, you can't purchase the thing by your amount and you would eat, because your condition is not supporting you. You are old nowadays. That's why uh, people told her. Then she realized that she collected all the amount in her young age, and she didn't spend any amount. Even she didn't enjoy of her collecting monies. So they told, now your child will enjoy of your this amount in future. So moral of this story is that the amount you are earning, the salary you are getting, the money you are earning, you should spend some percent of this your amount and salary for your enjoyment, for your child and your surrounding and relatives, because so you can this will be valuable. Otherwise these money will not be valuable for you. So that's all today. अगर आपको ये पसंद आया हो वीडियो तो इसे लाइक और शेयर करें, और चैनल पर नए हैं तो इसे सब्सक्राइब करें।